Hello girl, I'm Ruchita and you're watching FOMO, Fashion on My Own. Of late, there's been a lot of hype about Moroccan oil. So when Livon launched its Moroccan silk serum containing Moroccan argan oil, we decided to get our hands on it. So watch on to know our review on the product. Coming to the packaging, it comes in this nice pink box, inside which is this cute pink pump bottle. It's so feminine. I love it. Also, it's compact and lightweight. That makes it travel friendly. The serums, like other serums, is clear, but it's also thin and runny in texture with a slight fragrance which doesn't stay too long. Now coming to my experience with the product. After I washed my hair and dried it off with a towel, I applied the serum which spread very easily and it gave me a non-sticky feel which I really liked. Also, after drying, it made my hair really silky, shiny and manageable, which I think is because of the star ingredient, argan oil. In fact, one of my colleagues also complimented me saying that my hair is looking really nice and shiny. So it really works. It did take care of my frizz to quite an extent and didn't weigh my hair down. But if you have dry hair, this product alone is not a solution. One of the biggest plus points of the serums is that it comes with a UV filter claim, which protects your hair from sun damage. It's more like having a sunscreen for your hair, so it's a big thumbs up. Now, two things to remember while using this serum. First of all, never apply it on your scalp because this is not an oil. And secondly, when you apply this, start it with the middle section of your hair and go to the bottom, and whatever is remaining on your hands, apply it on the top part. Price-wise, I think it's value for money as it comes in this 59 ml bottle which is priced at $259, and for mid-length hair like mine, I only require 2 to 3 pumps, so I know it's going to last for a while. It also comes in a small trial pack. Overall, I really like this product. In fact, thanks to Livon, Morocco's precious argan oil is now available to us at affordable prices. In fact, it's one of the best hair serums I've used till date and I'll totally recommend it. Our FOMO rating for the product is 4.5 on 5. So that's it from my end, ladies. If you've tried this product, let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Also, if you want me to review any other product, let me know that as well. Share this video and subscribe to FOMO. Fashion on My Own. Bye.